Hi guys, Maria Ashley here. So this is going to be my first video with a face reveal. And basically today's video is going to be in a vlog kind of setting. Today, this morning drove to Peachtree Originals, which is this store which has kind of like stones that are aquamarine, rose quartz, and things like that. It has pins, stickers, and also incense and things like that. It was a very hippie-esque store, but it was like a genuine hippie-esque, and it was really cool. After that, we actually drove to a Starbucks and we ordered chai tea lattes. And when we got up to the pay window, actually, the woman told us that it had been covered already. So the person before us actually paid for our drinks. Then after that, we went to a pumpkin farm, and it was really cute. There were little corn stalks that are that sectioned off into these little almost like stages. And inside there were these dolls that were Disney themed, and their heads were pumpkins that had been painted. And it was really cute, and they were playing Disney music. And my friend and I just walked around vlogging, and I'll be inserting vlog clips as we go.
You and I, two of a mind. This love's one of a kind. You and we're drifting.
I got a few things when we went there. Not all of them for me, because I am a good sibling. And I got some things from another store I'm probably going to show in a later video, because that's not related to a pumpkin farm. I got these gourmet black popcorn. I got this cider spices, which is something you can mix into drinks, like cider, wine, tea, brandy, but don't drink if you're underage, kids. I also got these really cute little pumpkins. Itty bitty. And they're really cute. I can't get big pumpkins because I'm living in a dorm room, and dorm rooms are not pumpkin friendly. So I got these little ones to decorate my desk with. And in stores Target and cute little department stores like that, you will find fake pumpkins that are painted different colors. You'll find the orange one, then you'll find the white one with orange sparkles, and then the teal one, which I decided I'm gonna paint one of these to be teal, and it's gonna be really cute, and I'm gonna decorate my desk with my little pumpkins. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got today, driving around, having fun. There's not going to be many vlogs since most of my weeks are very boring with classes and everything, but every once in a while during weekends, if I find something fun to do, I'll vlog. It gets really cold where I live and it snows, so a lot of the time, probably mainly during winter when it's freezing out and I get cold extremely easily, I'm not gonna really take vlogs because I'm busy trying to keep myself warm and my fingers get very cold. Even right now, they're kind of chilly.